Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to archive chat on LinkedIn. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Your LinkedIn inbox can quickly become overwhelming, especially if you're a sales development representative, recruiter, or business owner who relies heavily on the platform for communications. And with dozens of messages flowing in daily, important information can easily get buried under the constant stream of new notification, connection requests, and less urgent chat. So in this video, I will show you how to archive chat on your LinkedIn account. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our LinkedIn app. You can log in into your account. After that, you can just go to inbox by tapping on the up right corner here. And from here, you can choose on the chat that you want to archive. For example, I want to archive this chat. So you can just tap and hold on the chat. After that, you can see there is an option archive in it. You can just tap on that. So now you have successfully archived that chat from your LinkedIn account. You can also archive more than one chat like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to archive chats on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.